Hello guys, hi and welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's Nasto here. I hope you're doing good. Well, in this video today I'll be showing you a very easy way of arranging bricks for construction. First of all, if you've not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Kindly leave a like for this video. So the first step of arranging these bricks, you have to put one lying flat like that so that the other one can lean on it, and that is the very first and easy step of arranging the bricks. So these bricks are usually made by mixing sand with cement and a little water, and as you can see how I'm arranging it, that is the best way to arrange your bricks for construction. So if you have maybe a construction site and the guys maybe are trying to arrange your bricks, this is the easiest way to tell them or to advise them on how to arrange their bricks. It reduces the rates of breakage, and it is also very easy to water while they are arranged this way. And you can put a very large amount of layers. It does not matter the stacks you're putting through. You can put 10 to 15, but you can also remember that these bricks are very heavy, so the higher you go, the heavier it gets. So let's keep going. Well, recently these bricks are very commonly used in construction. Maybe you can tell me, have you ever seen this type of bricks in your area? Or if you've been constructing a house, have you ever used this type of bricks? Well, leave a sweet comment down below to tell me the experience. So these bricks are usually made from cement and sand, as I said. So a bag of cement, which goes for about $6, is when mixed with 4 wheelbarrows of sand, produces 30 to 35 bricks like these ones. And it is very cost effective while using this type of bricks in construction. So arranging them this way can keep them for maybe a year without maybe being used for construction. This is the best way to store them, especially if maybe you're not planning to start your construction very soon. Remember, maybe you have limited funds, so you have to make the bricks and then wait for a little while, then continue with your construction. So this is one of the best way to preserve these bricks, because if you let them just lie on the floor, people might walk on top of them, maybe cows might walk on top of them, and you will have a very big loss. Also, the rains, when they come, they will get very wet. So the best way to store these bricks is to arrange them like I am doing it. Maybe you can tell me if you know of any other formula or method of arranging these bricks, but for me, this is one of the best types of storage for your bricks. Yes. The first step of making this type of bricks is using sand mixed with the cement and some water. Remember, one bag of cement goes with 3 wheelbarrows of sand plus some small amount of water, not very much. Yeah? The soil has to be somehow heavy. And this is the type of metal that is being used in this type of brick making. You can see the edges, and the inside has to be very, very smooth. And you also have to use a wooden. This wood is usually shaped in a manner like for heating or for hardening the brick. And you have to use a spade or that thing, I don't know how it is called, to put your mixture inside that metal and then hit hard by that wooden so that the brick can be very, very hard. Remember also, the top of that brick has to be very, very smooth. The smoothness is very essential during construction because the constructors need bricks that have maybe are very straight. So you have to be very careful and very professional while making this type of bricks. You can see very nice bricks. Well, so my cousin came over to help me out. He was the guy behind the camera. Yeah, so these bricks are quite heavy. One is around 10 kilograms, you can imagine. So they are very, very heavy, and also the edges can cut your hand. So when carrying them, you really have to be very, very careful with yourself. But this type of arrangement also is very advantageous when counting your bricks. The number of bricks that maybe you have arranged becomes very easy because you just count the rows and then multiply by the number of columns you have, and you will have the total amount of bricks maybe that you have made or that people have constructed for you. Remember also, it is very easy to water them, so that you have to water at the top and then the water will flow through the bricks. And this type of bricks usually require that you water them maybe in the morning and in the evening for about 4 to 5 days before you stop watering them. because they have a mixture of sand and cement, and to make them hard you have to water them frequently in the morning and in the evening to make them more strong, because when you leave them without watering, they can easily break. Well, so I hope you've learned maybe something or arranging this type of bricks. Well, they are very cost effective in construction and they're very fast when building. So see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for staying with me through the end of this video. Kindly give a like to this video and share it also with your friend, and also you can leave a comment down below. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you and goodbye. Stay safe and remember to sanitize also.